bikes on first, nice and early. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rebel Rider. So in this video, this is the night before the morning that we're going to the Isle of Man. So 8:30 in the morning we're going to catch the ferry to Liverpool to set off on our way over to the Isle of Man for 3 nights. So I'm just getting my luggage ready. So this is my Craft Ride Sissy Bar bag, and that just goes on there. That's it, all tied on nice and tight. And say I've got my panniers, I've got my waterproofs in there. I've got a jump pack in there. I've got a small toolkit. I have got a puncture repair kit in the other one, the other pannier, and I have got like a tyre inflator as well. So I shall film bits of the journey and take you with us on some of our trips out. So yeah, come and join us on our trip to the Isle of Man. You always get the bikes on first, nice and early. Morning. So yeah, I won't be getting up moving about on the ferry because I get a bit seasick. Got my seasick tablets, so I'll take them in a minute, and I'll put my camera back on when we're coming off the ferry. It's a bit more packed than when we arrived. That's quite a drop. Funny today because they said about the car drivers going down first, yet they've let us off first again. They always seem to get the bikers out of the way first. I bet on TT week it's all bikers. Right, so here we are in Douglas. So we're just gonna pull over and decide what to do. I mean, we need to get some food, but also once we head off to our accommodation just outside Onchan, which is only like 10-15 miles away from Douglas, I need to have a chance to put that in my sat nav. Well, there's some on that side up there, wasn't there? So I know. Oh look, they're planting it all up now. There's the ferry port over there, little castle. The Opera House, the Gaiety Theatre. Yeah, so these took a right battering in the winter. So we've popped into a nice cafe, had some lunch, and now we're off to go and find our Airbnb. Whoa, this bend was steep and it was a tight one too. Careful, Jill. And I actually did drop my bike coming up it a couple of days later in the rain. Ah! So we got here finally. We did go up the wrong driveway to start with. We were next door, so we left our bikes there and had a wander into this property to try and work out where we should be and where we should be parking. Anyway, it was a lovely property. It was a 1-bedroom, had a double bed and a bed city. Obviously, I shall show you now, is a nice lounge kitchen area. And then a full bathroom, and it was really nice, and it was £79 a night, and we stayed there for 3 nights. Right, so this is where we're staying, the biggest pile of gravel ever. Beautiful gates. Up. Nearly lost my bike then. I mean, it's lovely, but shit bloody driveway for bikes. This is like being around the Welsh lanes, but on big bikes.
Right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any The world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need to plant a new and hopeful seed. You only get one life to live, so take the chances that it gives. Be brave and strong and positive, and find a new narrative. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is
This is the lovely Laxey railway station. Hope a bird doesn't poo on my bike here. So although Laxey's famous for the Laxey wheel, this isn't that Laxey wheel, this is a different wheel. Still really lovely though. I'm just going to find out what this one's called. Lady Evelyn. Captain's Hill. Ooh. Now we're hoping to go down to Laxey Village in the harbour, but we're not sure this is the way.
and it's another little adventure. Oh, we're at the harbour. It's nice to have ice cream and sit out on a nice day.
Right, so we've finished our day off in Laxey Harbour. The tide's out, everything's very like gunky and muddy looking. There's a lovely little waterfall there. That's coming down from the sort of little river from where we were up at Evelyn's Wheel before. So that'll be fresh water coming down into the salt water here. But yeah, I've had a really busy day, but a really enjoyable day. So I'll call it quits for today. We've got to get back yet, find our way back. I think we're going to try another different way to get back to our accommodation if we can, but we'll see. What will be, will be. And hopefully I won't nearly drop my bike on the way back. So yeah. Right, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.